A big blue boat is out on the brine, and what do you think she sees? A captain brave on a big bow wave, that's what the blue boat sees. A captain brave is out on the brine, and what do you think she sees? A bird large and white that flies with delight, that's what the captain sees. A bird large and white is over the brine, and what do you think he sees? A squid pink and shy that picks at the sky, that's what the white bird sees. A squid pink and shy is out in the brine, and what do you think he sees?